Mucemanio uria uhaririirio gicunjĩ-inĩ gĩkĩ kĩa mũgũnda wa Kĩkonyokie urehete hamwe amemba mwahũmwe na uria utongoragio ni Moses Ole Palantai, na muoroto waguo ari wa kuhe amemba aya marũa ma allotment maria mahitukĩtio ni thirikari ya Kajiado. Palantai augĩte mahuthĩrĩte njĩra ya waragania, akiuga marĩ na marũa 4,600 na o mũmemba ekwamũkĩra ĩka ĩmwe na angĩ nuthu ĩka kuringana na mpango wa thirikari ya county.
Wale residents wako hapa, kila mtu atapata title yake ya 1 acre each. Kuna wale ambayo wako chini ambaye vile plans ilipoenda iligawa shamba yao 1 acre to 2 parcels ya half kwa sababu ya vile plans na ile amri ya plans na nini ya planning iko, tukapatia both of them ikiwa with different numbers lakini sinashikana.
Augete egukuruhania nginya amemba mwahũre ũngĩ na oho akaruta mukana wa thikũ 7 kuri aria matekuigira marũa mao.
I have not sidelined anybody here. I have given everybody where they are, where they are residing, where his house is, where his home is. I have given him that 1 acre. And I'm giving them a warning. If they are not coming to collect at wherever I am, their letters of allotment in a week's time, 7 days from today, I will tear them off and I will look for other members and I will allocate these other members to those places where they are.
Ni mubango utugiritio ni amemba makiuga maraikaraga na wagagu no riu ni magia na ihumuka.
I'm very much proud to have it. And I want the whole Kenya and the Kajiado County and whoever who has been issuing the titles overnight to know that I've received it daytime. I think this noon. Proud to say I've received it at noon.
Hizi allotment letters tumepewa leo na hizi ndio tunajua ndio njia ya kuongojea ile title ambayo tunaiongojea kesi iishe tarehe 31 mwezi wa Januari.
Hivi allotment imetokea hivyo. Mahali unaishi ndio shamba lako liko jina lako, pin location yako, namba yako ya simu na mahali haswa unaishi. Kwa hivyo tunashukuru pakubwa.
Cira wa mũgũnda ũyũ ũtanyĩtwo gũgatuithanio Januari ya mwaka ũkĩte wa 2026. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma Kĩkonyokie Kajiado ya ithũĩro ngetwo Wacuka wa Kĩarĩ.